So it's 116 degrees at my house right now, here in the desert. I'm gonna go pick up my son from his program, and yeah, but it is beautiful, beautiful sky. It's just a little bit warm, that's all. On such a hot day, we make sure that the wildlife gets some water, so we have this little low-key fountain for the birds and the roadrunners and any other animal that wants to come by and take a drink in our backyard. It's beautiful. It is hot for a couple months out of the year, but it is beautiful. And there's my studio partner cat, Simba, with his giant bowl of water. But let's get started on the subject matter of this video. Okay, so we're going to open up Wondershare, and I have already prompted it flowers, underwater, mermaid swimming, just to see what we get. And you can choose, there's hyper-realistic, all these different styles if you want. I'm going to choose magic, and then you go create, and it goes and digs around and comes up with an image. So it gives you two, kind of like this one. So I'm going to download. I'm going to say original because I don't need a frame. High resolution so that I can download or print it out. So I'm downloading that image. And it's downloaded. So now I'm just going to go into my photos, and you can see that it's downloaded. Okay, what I want to do is I'm going to go on my computer and search. I want to see, I'm not sure how to do this, but what I want to see is if that image pops up anywhere. I don't think I can do it from here. But anyway, I'll try on my computer because I want to see where that image might have come from. Okay, to check and see where the image comes from, you click on, I'll show you, click on this little camera photo icon, and then upload a file from your photo library. So all the ones that I did, all my AI ones pop up here. So I want to see where did they come from. I found out a lot of these come from DeviantArt, and they look too close to that image, so I'm going to have to rethink that. One though that I really want to use, if I can find it here somewhere. Oh, here it is. Oops. One that I really want to use at some point is this one. So you click on the photo, you click done, and it's going to pop up a whole bunch of images that match this particular subject. And scrolling through here, there's a lot of bunnies with flowers, but not this exact one. I'm not seeing any that look like this image that was created by AI. So that one would be okay. Let me show you if I pop up those mermaid ones. Let me just grab this one. Okay. See how they're so similar to that. And I think some of these are actually AI created, but they're just so close to this one. I'm not sure if I'd want to use it and recreate it because it's too close to someone else's work, but we'll see. Anyway, I just wanted to share that. AI can be a great way to to create sources, but you really need to check and see where is it getting the picture you want. Like I want to do this one, this little desert scene of these burrowing owls. So let's see. All right, so that exact image, even a photograph similar to that exact image, is not popping up right away. I mean, they're all going to look similar because they're all burrowing owls. But that particular AI image of the two owls together didn't pop up anywhere. So I've got my two owls with the stormy desert sky that I can use if I want to in a source. So that's kind of what you do to protect yourself. Make sure you're not using someone else's stuff. Another interesting tool that I've found is something I've been playing with for years, almost 20 years really, and it's something called Mandlebulb. Now, I'm not going to get into how this program works. You'll have to go look for it. It's based on the Mandelbrot set, which is fractals, but it's fun to play with the patterns. So basically, all you need to worry about when you first start using this, you're going to click render or calculate 3D. And you're just going to take what's there. I have it set on flowers as far as coloring. There's so many tutorials out there for this program, but you can animate it. So you can move in close, you can rotate it, you can go sideways, you can go in through it, and it's basically just infinite fractals. It's so addictive. I have to warn you, it's like a video game. But what I like about it is it gives me tons of ideas or references, sources for abstract backgrounds or fantasy landscapes. It's just something that can really put your mind in a whole different place. So I decided to go ahead and render out this one. It looked like some mountains and some weird vegetation. And then once you decide you like it, you send it to the main, and then you go click on the little picture behind it. So we're gonna go up and click in a minute. I think I was getting up to do something for my son right here. Sorry. But you're going to click out and you're going to calculate what you just did. And then you can save that as a JPEG. Now, the animation sequence where I was zooming in, you can actually save that as an MP4. But I'm saving it as a pic because I want to use the pic as the picture as a reference, maybe for some kind of fantasy background. So you save it as a JPEG, and of course it opens up my images, my pictures, and I'm just going to name it Mandel Sample. And so then I have this reference just for something to stimulate my imagination when I need it. Yeah, so things like this. There's lots of tools out there. Check it out, and I'll talk to you on the next one.